Adamawa state government donate 50 million naira to Maiduguri flood victims. In a show of solidarity, Adamawa State Governor Ahmadu Fintiri has donated 50 million naira and 6 speedboats to Borno State, aiding victims of the recent flooding in Maiduguri. During his visit to the affected area, Governor Fintiri presented the donation to Borno State Governor Babangana Zulum. He called for increased support for the impacted communities and urged the federal government to take swift action. Meanwhile, Governor Fintiri, Zulum, and Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu conducted a boat ride to assess the situation and offer condolences to displaced residents. The flooding in Maiduguri has been attributed to a malfunctioning spillway from the Al-Au Dam. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates on the Maiduguri flood.